Hello everyone, my name is Jaidev and I'm from Umarkot also. I'm from Umarkot also and I'm the student of the Paragon Academy in the basic advanced level. So, firstly, I'll shed light on my experience at the Paragon Academy. That I have learned many things at the Paragon Academy, including all the skills of the language and phonetics and many other things. But I think that I adore most is that in the starting days I told us about the real definition of the education. That what is real education? Education is not about competition. Education is all about cooperation. That we have been studying in our schools since the beginning. That how we have been treated by our teachers. What they told us that you have to slap the weaker. They didn't teach us that you have to cooperate with the weaker one. You have to aid or assist the weaker one. You have to teach the weaker one. So that is the main thing that I adore most from Sir Tufel, and I'm feeling very nervous right now. So and nextly, I would like to speak about my presentation, that is about a book, A Brief History of Time. So the motive of this book is all about, this book is the motive of this book is that to make accessible the knowledge or the incredible concepts of the physics to the ordinary people, like about space, time, black holes, planets, solar systems. These all the complex concepts of the physics. The writer of this book is Stephen Hawking, and Stephen Hawking tried to make these all concepts of the physics accessible to the ordinary person. So, the main ideas of this book includes theories can never be proven, and due to speed of light, time is not fixed, and so there are three reasons that why time only move forward. It doesn't move backward. So, firstly, we all have heard or studied in our textbooks like that whenever scientists or whenever researchers go through any research, firstly they come up with different theories, and then they do experiment to prove these theories correct or accurate. So, as we can explain that before 1903, it was believed that nothing heavier than air could fly. Before 1903, then the Orville Wright made an experiment that on December 17th, they first time they fly in the air, and in their first attempt they remained in the air for 12 seconds, and after that they again tried and they remained in the air for a long time at the height of 120 feet. And that thing proved that theories can be proven incorrect when the evidence come up against them. When the evidence come up against them. So my second thing is that that time is not fixed due to speed of light. So how we can explain that? Have you all might have studied the theory of relativity in your textbooks, which was proposed by Einstein. This theory also claims that time is not fixed, time is relative. How we can explain it? What is our concept about time? How we define time? Like we have studied in the physics that we have to just divide the distance with the speed, and we can find the time. For example, a car is traveling at the speed of 100 km per hour, and 100 km per hour, and its distance is like 100 km, and how we can find our time? How we will find the time? We will divide the distance with the speed, and our time will be in 1 hour. In this way, we find the time of everything. But suppose that a thing is traveling with the speed of light. thing is traveling with the speed of light. Suppose that you started traveling with the speed of light, and next one. Okay.
Sum up.
I am still on my presentation. I didn't wind up. And so I was speaking that if you started traveling with the speed of light, firstly take example that you started traveling with the point, and the beam of the light started traveling from the another point, and the third person is. I should wind up. Uh,
Just tell the summary and conclude it.
Okay, so that's basically the moral of my talk is that the time is not fixed, time is relative. And the third one is that there are only three reasons that time only move forward. The first is entropy, and the second is psychological